What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is on this strawberry lemonade type of vibe. I still wanted to do one more summer look before summer's coming to an end. So yeah, if you like this look, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to go in with Sweet Tea from the Star of the Show palette in this video, the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. And I'm just buffing this into my crease. Then I'm going to go in with Ice Pop. This is a bright pink, and I'm going to apply this to the inner and outer portions of my eyelid to start defining the halo effect. Then I'm just taking some concealer and applying this to the middle of the eyelid to clean up the halo look and prep it for the color in the middle. And the shade that I'm using for the middle portion is Lemonade Craze, which is a bright yellow. And then to make everything look seamless, I am buffing out and blending together the two shades. Then I'm going to go in with Strawberry Lemonade and pop that right on top of Lemonade Craze. Then I'm going to go back in with Ice Pop and define the halo a little bit more. And then I felt like it just wasn't enough and I wanted more, so I added the Colourpop pressed powder. This is the shade Stargirl, and just placing that right over top of the two shades in the middle. Next, I'm going in with my Stila All Day Liquid Liner and winging it out. For the face, I am going in with the Faced Hangover Primer. And since this look is a lighter coverage look, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, placing this under my dark circles and sort of spot correcting any places that need it. And then I'm just buffing this out with my Colourpop concealer brush. Then I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder and apply it over top any concealer. Then I'm going in with my Bahama bronzer by the Balm and placing this on the outer portions of my face. To finish off the eye look, I'm going back in with Sweet Tea and Coral Punch and placing this on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking Lemonade Craze in the tear duct. If I could go back and do it differently, I would put down a white base like the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil, because this shadow, this yellow shadow, was not pigmented at all, which I feel like most yellow eyeshadows aren't really that pigmented, so I kind of just had to work with what I had. And then I'm just applying some black eyeliner to the lower lash line. And then applying some mascara to the lower lash line. This is the Lights Camera Lashes mascara by Tarte. And then to add some faux freckles, I'm using my L'Oreal Brow Stylist and pressing and twisting it into my skin, mostly around the nose. And then I'm going to buff it out with my finger. For my highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold. And I didn't record my lipstick, but the lipstick that I'm using is the Maybelline one in Nude Lust. And that's going to conclude the tutorial today. If you guys like it, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you want. And then the next video that I want to do, I want to talk into the camera rather into a microphone. So I think that will be a lot better content, in my opinion, is being able to talk to the audience rather than talk to myself into a microphone. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video.